Here it is, one and only Hassan II Mosque. In the biggest mall of Africa, here is Morocco Mall. Welcome to Casablanca, everybody. We are here in the biggest city of Morocco, Casablanca. Behind me is the Sacred Heart Church, and it was built in 1930. It's the biggest church here in all of Morocco. So beautiful. It's a bit rainy today, but we will have a whole day to check out the beautiful city of Casablanca, the White City. You can definitely see here now, it looks much more European. You have these big white buildings all over. Around 7 million people live in the total metropolitan area of Casablanca. It's a lot. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah? We're making a little video. Hello. Hello. It's for the YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
A big
Great.
one. Yeah. So the church was built in around 1930, 1932, and was closed in 1956 when Morocco got their independence. It was then reopened again in 2000, and now it serves as a, let's say, cultural hub, because you don't have that much Christians left here in Morocco. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Wow. Thing is, when you walk around in here, it's a bit fun to think that in history now, Christians and Jews are now mostly in museums here in Morocco. It looks not so church-like, I would say. Looks a little bit like a mosque, kind of. The building is very particular, very special, but beautiful. And it's under some renovation now, they say. So maybe I should come back and see it once it's renovated. I love all the beautiful colored glass here. If you come over here, we have the Danish flag, we have the Swedish flag, we have the Icelandic flag, we have the Brazilian flag. A lot of flags here. I wonder, we have Norwegian flag. It's actually a Sunday today, so it's should be some kind of service here, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe it is being renovated and we don't know what's happening. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. So what is Casablanca? Casablanca is the biggest city in Morocco, and it's also the financial capital. You will find that it's a huge city. Most streets here, they have French names. So Boulevard de Paris, Rue de Bordeaux, different stuff. And the French chose this big city to become the financial capital. So you have all the governmental buildings here. You have 40% of all employers. They are here in Casablanca. It's big. It's huge, really big. The Square of Pigeons could be. This is actually the Square of Mohammed V. And this is a very important place. This is where you had the big conference after Second World War. Winston Churchill was here. It's very central. You have the big, beautiful opera building on the other side. Everything here is written in Arabic and Amazigh language. And very peaceful, very beautiful. What do you think about this square?
Nice, modern, and some of the architecture is reminiscent of old times.
The old times.
Quite nice, well kept.
So yeah, now we've seen the little square. Beautiful square. There's been a lot of demonstrations here too. It's a very important square for Casablanca. Hassan II Mosque. The second largest mosque in all of Africa. So this mosque was finished constructing in 96. It's quite new, around 30 years. And it's built on the water. Wow. Once we will get in, we will see that it's built upon the ocean. So actually you can look down some places and see the ocean. They can open the roof so you can look up into the sky. It is very, very special. Here it is. One and only Hassan II Mosque. Let's go explore this beautiful religious building. Here we have the coast surrounding the beautiful mosque. Just to looking at all the tiles, this is amazing. Every little detail, and that really shows that when you travel Morocco, each little house has so much detail compared to in Europe. Wow, it's detailed. Now I don't know that much about religious buildings, but I can say I didn't expect this mosque to be so big. It's huge. It's really huge and beautiful. And again, all these details plastered everywhere. You can't look one place and it's not full of details. It's so beautiful. Wow. So this was the mosque. Very, very interesting to get inside it and hear how modern it is, but still keeps the old touch of the Islamic architecture. Every little thing has details, every little thing is built on a purpose. It's very beautiful. Now we are going further to Casablanca to see what we have: restaurants, a little bit more commercial. This was the religious part. We saw the church and the mosque. In all towns of Morocco you will have a church and a mosque. So yeah, now we're heading onwards to our next destination in Casablanca. Here we have Café Rix. If you've seen the movie Casablanca with Humphrey Bogart, this is where he says "play it again, Sam." We had to stop and see it. I don't think the movie was shot in Casablanca though, but they have the exact same cafe here and it's nice. Now we're having some lunch here in Casablanca. The first lunch in Casablanca.
All the necessities.
Now we just had some excellent lunch. We had some pasta, some salad. It's really great. And we're downtown of Casablanca. Lovely city. Right where we are, it should be quite central. I'm looking on the map, but we don't see that much traffic, so I guess that's a good sign. And yeah, now we will head to the lighthouse. Sadly, on this day we are here, it's raining quite a lot, and it's quite great. It reminds me a lot about Denmark, but I wanted to go to Casablanca, so yeah, it's nice, really nice, beautiful. And they're really trying to make it better and better and better, more beautiful every day. And they are. You can see it's rapidly expanding. They're doing a lot of infrastructure work. There are trams here. I wish there was a metro. And yeah, it's amazing. And now we are at the coast side. They have a beach, but it's like far away from here. This is more like a promenade where you can go and have a little coffee. One last stop before we head back to Marrakesh is in the biggest mall of Africa. Here is Morocco Mall. I don't think I've ever been in such a big mall in my life. It's not a big tourist attraction, but I thought we should check it out. And I will be coming back to Casablanca very soon, probably in a few months. I love Morocco. I want to do a lot of projects here. It's amazing. And there he is, the king. Always. Of course, you have all the big brands like Louis Vuitton, Off-White, Boss. Apparently they have a huge fish tank inside. I mean, this makes European malls look like small markets. Wow. I feel like I'm in another country, which I am, but another world. And of course, everywhere we go, we will find our our Swedish brothers in IKEA. I wonder if the prices are good. I mean, probably I can read everything in here, but it's crazy what this mall offers. Every shop you could imagine, almost every cafe, everything. They have 3 different IKEAs here in Morocco. Have you ever been inside a Moroccan shopping mall? I've never. It's my first time, and I'm quite blown away because it's really upscaled. I mean, not so many shops, but the shops there is, it's like the biggest brands in the world. It's crazy. So, yeah.